Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Huawei Nova 15 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Today, we're diving deep into their displays, chipsets, cameras, battery life, and standout features. Which phone boasts the brightest and most vibrant screen? Who packs the more powerful and efficient processor? Can Huawei's multispectral imaging outshine Xiaomi's staggering 200-megapixel camera sensor? And when it comes to battery endurance and innovative extras like satellite communication and wireless charging speeds, which one truly dominates? Stick around, because by the end, we'll ask the real question. Is Huawei's AI-driven display tech enough to beat Xiaomi's powerhouse specs? Let's find out. Starting with the display, the Huawei Nova 15 Ultra offers a slightly larger 6.84-inch LTPO OLED panel with an incredible peak brightness of 4,000 nits and advanced AI features like eye comfort and AI HDR display that optimize your viewing experience dynamically. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED shines with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support, and still reaches an impressive 3,200 nits peak brightness. Huawei's AI-driven enhancements give it an edge for adaptive and comfortable viewing in various lighting conditions, making its display tech the standout here. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer process, delivering top-tier performance and efficiency. Huawei's Nova 15 Ultra runs on the Kirin 9010S chipset, which is solid but doesn't quite match the raw power and advanced fabrication node of Xiaomi's platform. For sheer processing muscle and future-proofing, Xiaomi's Snapdragon 8 Elite takes the crown. When it comes to special features, Huawei impresses with its dual front cameras and unique red maple multispectral imaging that enhances photo quality in innovative ways. Xiaomi counters with its Hyper AI system, Hyper OS 2, and an 80-watt wireless charging capacity that blows Huawei's 50-watt wireless charging out of the water. Xiaomi's comprehensive cooling and battery management systems also ensure sustained performance and longevity, making their feature set especially appealing for power users. The camera battle is fierce, but Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom and multi-directional PDAF steals the spotlight by delivering unprecedented detail and zoom capabilities. Huawei's Nova 15 Ultra offers a versatile triple 50-megapixel setup with variable aperture and multispectral snapper, great for color accuracy, but less impressive in sheer resolution and zoom range. For those craving the ultimate zoom and resolution, Xiaomi clearly leads. Huawei Nova 15 Ultra boasts red maple multispectral imaging and a variable aperture system that adapts to lighting conditions for stunning color accuracy and sharpness. On the flip side, Xiaomi's Leica lenses paired with Laser AF and Dolby Vision Movie Mode provide authentic color reproduction and professional-grade video capabilities. Both excel in different ways, but Xiaomi's Leica collaboration gives it a cinematic edge. Battery-wise, Huawei packs a massive 6,500 mAh cell, promising longer endurance, while Xiaomi offers a slightly smaller 6,000 mAh CIC lithium-ion battery, but compensates with faster 80-watt wireless charging compared to Huawei's 50-watt. So, Huawei might last longer unplugged, but Xiaomi gets you back to full power quicker.